Today we're going to go over how to change the Haldex fluid. So it's super simple, but there are a couple different drain plugs back here. First, let's go over what not to drain. So this is a differential. This is the differential drain plug right here. And then this is the differential fill plug over here. Don't touch those two. The Haldex. This is the Haldex fill plug. And then the drain plug is right here in front. This drain plug is a 8mm Allen, and the fill plug is a 5mm Allen. I like to loosen the fill plug first, just to make sure there's no problems with it. If let's say it's stripped out or something, we drained it, couldn't get the plug out, that could be problematic. Then the drain plug, it is right here in front. These plugs have capsulated fresh washers on them for sealing. You are supposed to replace them every time. I've seen people reuse them, that problem, but if you're getting the fluid anyway, I just ask for one. And then you can always make sure that you're draining the right one. These take a little less than a full quart. You can run a little fluid through there to help clean it out, but I usually don't. I just let it drain until it's freely dripping before I put the plug in and fill it up. All right, once it's dripping like that, you should call that good. Put the new drain plug in it. The drain plug torque's at 25 Newton meters. Let me see. It's important to never walk away from a bolt you've never torqued. So I'd recommend you have your torque wrench in hand and already set up, so that way you're not wandering around looking for it. You get distracted, sidetracked, and then you never come back and torque it. 25. And the easiest way to fill these things is to just get a plastic pump like this. You can get them from Napa or O'Reilly's for $7. And then you put that in the uh, put that in the bottle. I do so many of these. I actually just have a gallon jug and just keep topping it off whenever I need to. And then put this in and start a pumping. You don't really have to worry about it overflowing. And once it starts seeping out like that, it's full, and then I let it drip until it stops coming out. Once it stops flowing and starts dripping, put the fill plug in. The fill plug torques to 15 newts. It does feel like kind of a lot. I've had one feel like it was going to strip at 15 newts, so sometimes I'll stop a little before, like around 10 or 11. We got our torque wrench set up, and we just, oh yeah, it felt good. 15 newts. All right, and clean up the area. Hit her with a little brake clean. Wipe her dry, and you are good to go. All right, guys, hope this helps. Once again, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.